Congratulations! You have officially reached the pre-approved stage, and this is a big milestone because we've completed your financial review and now have a solid understanding of where you stand financially. Now the fun actually begins. This is the point where we get to meet one-on-one. Someone from my team will be reaching out with a link to schedule your strategy meeting directly with me. We'll set aside time to go through everything together, answer any questions that you might have, and start putting together a plan that's built around your goals. Before we meet, my team and I are going to review your file so we're ready to make the most of our time together. The goal is not just to talk about your loan, it's to understand the bigger picture so we can help you make smart decisions before you start spending money or making commitments. Please come to our meeting with your questions. We'll definitely talk about your budget and financing options, timeline, and also what makes the most sense for your situation. And more importantly, we'll build a framework for moving forward so you know what should happen first, what comes next, and how to avoid the common mistakes that can cost time and money. By the time we're finished, you'll have a very clear path and know exactly what your next steps are. Once we've put that plan together, we'll move into the loan setup stage. And that's where our team begins preparing your loan for submission to the lender so everything is in place to keep your financing moving forward.